This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Completely remodeled condo is ready to move in. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, 1,716 square feet. Features: beautiful marsh view with updated kitchen, granite countertops, newer appliances, cherry wood flooring, fireplace surround, sliding door, updated bathrooms, nice deck, front porch, wonderful community, and a great place to call home. Want to live close to the beach with a beautiful view, close to dog parks, boat dock, community pool, kayaking, playgrounds, and biking paths for easy access to the beach? For more information, review the details below.